Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have access and the pixel snippet ready. Begin now by opening your Rentry entry and entering edit mode. Once in the editor, switch to the raw markdown or HTML block so you can paste code directly. This prevents formatting from stripping script tags. Choose the insertion point near the top for early firing or before the closing content for non-blocking load. Make sure to copy the exact snippet. Small changes break tracking, so preserve quotes, script tags, and any async attributes. Now paste the pixel snippet into the HTML-capable area. On Rentry, this means an HTML block inside your markdown. If the pixel provides an image fallback, also include the NaScript.im tag right after the script so non.js views still register. Once pasted, scan nearby content for other scripts that might conflict. Avoid duplicate ID and heavy libraries. You should explain to yourself why each tag is present, script for firing, img for fallback, so you can troubleshoot later. Save and publish your Rentry entry, then immediately open Developer Tools and reload to watch the Network tab for the pixel request. This tells you if the snippet fired. If you see no request, check the console for content security policy, mixed content blocking, or syntax errors from modified tags. Make sure caching or ad blockers aren't preventing the call by testing in incognito and another device. If problems persist, revert to the original snippet and reinsert carefully. Many failures come from altered characters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.